Alright. Skip. Oh, there it is. Okay, okay. Number 1. Okay, it's B. What is the most valuable, I don't know, biyaya that came from Jesus? Oh my God. Okay, it's your life. Buhay, B. Number 2. Parang dapat gawin sa pamilya sa biyayang nagtatanggap sa alutin. Okay, this is going to be long. So I'm going to include everything, like literally. Kanino dapat kilalanin ang lahat ng biyayang nagtatanggap ng pamilya? Sarili, kay Diyos. Oh God. Alin sa mga sumusunod ang hindi biyaya mula sa Diyos? Pagkain, kalusugan, pamamahal, pagbiling lang. It's D. God says not from God Himself. Because panlilin lang, it's bad. Ano ang halimbawa ng biyaya ng pamahalaan? Pag-aaway ng kapatid, magsama-sama. Okay. It's B. I know it. I just know it. Okay. Moving on from GMRC. I mean, oh shit. Oh, I got in the wrong notebook. Meh, who cares? It's time for PNN Howard. Okay, people-related misconception. Growth is stunted by physical activity. Although this is a common misconception, there is no proof in actuality. Healthy growth and development during puberty are supported by frequent physical activity. Myth: girls should engage in vigorous physical activity during menstruation. While some girls may feel discomfort during menstruation, moderate to vigorous physical activity is generally safe and can even alleviate menstrual symptoms for some individuals. Myth: girls should engage in vigorous physical activity. Fact: other research has demonstrated that exercise helps alleviate dysmenorrhea and lessen the need for relievers in girls. Myth: weightlifting stunts growth in adolescents. Weightlifting, when done with proper technique and supervision, does not stunt growth. In fact, it can promote bone density and muscle strength, supporting overall health. Myth: puberty-related weight gain is always unhealthy. Weight gain during puberty is a normal part of development, as adolescents experience growth spurts and changes in body composition. It's important not to overly focus on weight, but instead encourage overall healthy habits. Myth: adolescents should avoid physical activity if they experience acne or body odor. Fact: regular hygiene practices and wearing breathable clothing can help manage these issues, allowing participation in physical activity. Myth: teenagers should start strength training until they reach maturity. Fact: it is recommended that activities that strengthen muscles and bones should be incorporated in the recommended 60 minutes of daily physical activity, at least 3 days per week. Myth. Teenagers should start. Uh, okay. Fact. Muscular strength is also the driving force toward performance enhancing and injury prevention. Okay. Fact again. Acne and body odor are common during puberty due to hormonal changes and increased sweat production. Instruction. Analyze in scenario identifying any puberty-related myths or misconception regarding physical activity participation. Okay. Okay, this is the last one. Wait, there's one more, science. Well, that's not gonna be hard, right? Right. Okay. From what you read, this is probably easy to solve. Okay, let me just cut out the video. Okay guys, I was done with my PA in health, so now it's time for science. Okay, let me just bring my notebook real quick. What do you notice about these animals? How are they designed? How are they different? To me, vertebrates animals with backbones and invertebrates animals without backbones. Okay. No. I think I'll just skip. Okay, I found one. Let's go. One is frog. Or B. Number 2. Reptile group. Wait, reptile? Wait, let me just skip. Okay, got it. It's turtle. Number 3. Okay, I know I'm not slick with that cuts. Which group of animals does not have a backbone? Okay, it's obviously invertebrates. Number 4. A tilapia breathes using gills and lives in water. It belongs to which group? Wait, what? Okay, then it's the fish. I know I'm not slick with that cuts. Yeah, right? Which of the following is an insect? And okay. And it's not even an insect, bruh. Wait, it is. Wait, does an insect fly? Okay. Okay, there was no more, so goodbye guys. See you tomorrow with my new post.